Hey everyone, welcome back to Financify. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a Monese account on your mobile device. Let's get started. First, download the Monese app from App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, launch the Monese app on your mobile device. On the welcome screen, tap on Sign Up or Get Started. Then, enter your email address and choose the location that you live in. Then tap Get Started. Check your inbox for the verification email from Monese. Tap on the verification link in the email to confirm. Once done, return to the Monese app. Then enter your mobile number and tap Send Code. Then enter the code sent to your phone. Then tap Verify. Enter your current residential address, tap Continue. Then, select the type of Monese account you want, for example, personal or business. Review the account features and tap Choose Account. Prepare a valid photo ID, passport, national ID or driving license. Follow the on-screen instructions to take a clear picture of your ID and upload it. Next, record a short video of yourself to confirm your identity. Review and accept Monese terms and conditions. Your account setup is now complete. And that's it. You now have a Monese account set up and ready to use. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more financial tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.